Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss ESP8266 Wi-Fi connection setup. Here is our content and I am going to discuss three concepts here. First one is ESP8266 as a Wi-Fi station mode, and second one ESP8266 as an access point mode, and third one is ESP8266 act as a Wi-Fi access point mode as well as in station mode. So let's get started with the station mode. And in this scenario, my ESP8266, it will act as a station. It will be connecting with the existing Wi-Fi network, and that may be your home Wi-Fi network or your mobile hotspot. It will act as an access point. So your ESP8266, it will be connected with your existing Wi-Fi network model. Let's start with the coding. And here I am going to configure my ESP8266 as a station mode. So for that, first step, I am just going to include the Wi-Fi library, and followed by I am providing the username and password. This is nothing but my existing Wi-Fi network username and password. It may be your home Wi-Fi network username and password, or maybe your mobile phone hotspot username and password. Then I have two functions, setup and loop, and here I am focusing only on the configuration, so I am not doing anything in the loop. And I am coming to the setup function, and then here I am configuring as a station mode. So then I am calling the function Wi-Fi.begin, and I am providing the username and password of my existing network, and then it will be verifying the username and password. Once it is successful, the connection is established. Once the connection is established, I will get an IP address assigned to my ESP8266. Now we will move on to the second point, ESP8266 as an access point mode. And here I am going to create my own Wi-Fi network that acts as an hub, and then hub for one or more stations. So let's see, my ESP8266 as an access point, and there are n number of station, and this station will be connected with my access point. So that may be mobile or your laptop, or maybe another microcontroller, and so on. And it does not have any interface to wired network, so such a mode of operation is called soft access point mode. And in AP mode, the access point mode, ESP8266, it's create a new network and set SSID, that is username and password for my network, and then IP address to it. And then using IP address, it can be deliver a web page to all connected device under its own network. Let's understand the code, and here I am going to explain how ESP8266 as an access point mode. Then I am including my Wi-Fi library, and followed by I am going to include my access point username and password, and I am going to create a username and password for my ESP8266 board, and then that I will be configuring later. And then I have two functions, setup and loop, and since I am focusing only on configurations and I am not written anything in the loop, and I will come to the setup function, and here I am configuring my ESP8266 as an access point mode, and here Wi-Fi.mode, and I am passing an argument Wi-Fi underscore AP. Then this will actually converting my ESP8266 as an access point mode, and then followed by the soft AP, SSID and password I am providing. This SSID password is which I created for my ESP8266 board, and then followed by the my IP, the Wi-Fi.soft AP IP. It will return the IP address of soft access point network interface. So I'm just getting the IP address here. Now in this scenario, my ESP8266, it will act as both access point as well as in station mode operation. Let's understand the code. Here I am including the Wi-Fi model, and then followed by I am providing the two username and password. The first one with respect to the access point mode, the second one is about my existing Wi-Fi router username and password. So I'm going for two function, setup and loop. Since I'm focusing on the configurations, so I'm not written anything in the loop, and I'm coming to the setup, and here I'm just configure my ESP8266 as a both mode AP as well as in STA, and here Wi-Fi dot mode Wi-Fi underscore AP underscore STA. So this will configure your ESP8266 as a AP as well as in STA mode. And then I am configuring access point mode first, then I'm calling Wi-Fi.soft.ap, then I'm providing the access point mode username and password, then I'm collecting my IP address here, and followed by the Wi-Fi.begin, and here I'm providing the username and password. This username and password is nothing but my existing Wi-Fi network username and password. So once successful connected, then I can get the local IP address here.